go. What's in there?
Here's making first, right? And can I move it and go very early?
What is it? What is it?
I like the
Yeah, I like the bag, the paper.
Here we go. Yay!
Squeeze the hand. Feel the belly.
I thought he was saying heaven. I don't know why.
I saw it and started laughing.
You like it? Yeah, I'm gonna eat these tags first chance I get. Yeah, first time. Say thank you, Amy. Ooh, that is really sweet.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
She's all happy.
Hey, Zoe, go for it. She's not
Where's my
happy.
hair too, and the next thing I was getting on the couch. That's all I do. What?
She's like, where do I grab?
I wear them until the Velcro wears out.
You can grab anywhere. Just take it.
Wow, this piece of cake is that.
She got her first bite.
Yeah, yeah, good.
Yeah. I'll see y'all later.
Bye.
Bye, Larry.
Bye, Amy.
Bye.
Oh, she said bye.
Zoe told you bye-bye.